Okay, people, we're going to start with the first testing activity 1, which is a pass, a C grade. And the main question for testing activity 1 is this: did the movie export to a video file? We're going to test that, and we are going to use this script here in this test plan. This is a test plan that we have in front of us. These are the questions we're going to ask ourselves. The activity has to do with exporting a movie. The expected results is what we expect to happen. And then in this box here, you'll be writing in this section. In this box here, you're going to write about the steps you follow to test this. In this area here, you're going to write about what happened, the outcome. You're going to write in this area any improvements, anything else that you could do to make what you're doing better. And you're also going to justify how the changes you're talking about would make the video appeal to your audience. Okay, so let's start with exporting the movie. I'm going to open Windows Movie Maker, and I'm simply going to, I have a video here which is from one of the past year 11's coursework. I'm simply going to try to export this. I'm going to test that it works. That is the point of testing. So I'm going to go to File, Save Project As. This is my video area. I'm going to probably create a folder and call it Testing, and I'm going to give my video a title. I'll call it Test Export. Okay, you don't need to do the same thing I'm doing. You just need to be able to do this yourself. And I'm going to put it in my testing folder. I'm going to click on Save, and I'm going to now go and save movie file. I'm going to save on my computer. Click on Next, and the export, the name is Test Export, is where I want it to be. I'm going to choose a place in my folders. I'm going to choose again my videos, which is where this is, and I'm going to click Next, best quality, Next, and my video is exporting. Okay, now for the purposes of our testing, we are simply going to go back to our test plan and just write exactly what we did in there. So expected results, you will simply write I expect, okay, or I desired. It's a word you could use. Okay, what did we expect to happen? It's a simple thing, guys. I'm not going to write the answers in just in case you copy me, but it's simple. You expect that your video will export to a movie file. That is all you expect. Okay, so write it in there in simple words, no big English. Simply write exactly what you expect to happen. And then the question was, how will you test this? Simple thing, guys. If you go back to Movie Maker, let's just see, it says play movie. When I click finish, I'm going to click play, and you will see the movie playing, meaning it has exported. Okay, let's just wait and see. My movie has exported. It's going to play in a minute, but all you need to do, there we go. There is the video, it's exported, so it's done. Okay, we've tested it, it can happen. So on your sheet, guys, really simple. Again, what steps will you follow to export? Simply explain the steps you will follow in Movie Maker. You will click on File. I will click on Save Movie File. I will click on my computer, choose Next. I will give it a name. I will choose my area to save it, click Next, and then I will choose the best choice and click Save, and that's it. That's what goes in here. So write the steps that you followed to test this. Write it here. Okay, so 1, I'll do this. 2, I'll do that. Okay, you can write it that way, you can do it any other way. It's entirely up to you. Then in the next box, you simply need to explain what happened. Okay, in my case, I chose to save the movie, and my movie saved. It output to a video file, and it worked. Simply explain what happened. Okay, guys, I will put it here. Simply explain what happened in your own words, simple and short. Then you need to talk about what improvements can be made, guys. We are talking about video files here. Okay, there are different types of video files. There are WMV, there is MPG, there is AVI, there is quite a few. These are all video files, guys. Simply talk about the fact that you could save in multiple formats. Okay, save multiple formats. You can save in each of these. Okay, how would these make the video better? imagine if you have a video that is in a particular format that no one can play. Okay, we've all seen it before. You download something from YouTube, you play it, and it says you need something else in order to make it play. So how would these changes make your video better? It would make the video more accessible to people using different electronic devices. Okay, that is one of the ways. Please do not copy this. I repeat, please do not copy it, or else you will fail. I will fail you if you copy this, guys. I want it in your own words, guys. So simply use the same language. We're exporting a movie. What did we expect to happen? I expect that when I open Windows Movie Maker and I play my video and I click Save, Movie File, I choose Computer, I give it a name, and I choose a folder, and I click Save, my movie will output to a video file. What steps did you follow? Explain the steps. Okay, what was the outcome? Explain what happened. Did it save? Did it not save? Okay, and that's it. That is all you need to do in this section. Please be careful of your English. Mind your grammar, your punctuation, and your spelling. Now go do it. Thank you.